Alright guys, what is going on? This is Hot Rod 379 here, doing another GTA 5 truck driving video. So, we have something a little bit different. We are in the quarry, as you can tell, but we are not in a regular semi-truck. No, sure, we are in a Phantom dump truck, which is probably the coolest dump truck in the game, and I will show you why here in a second. Alright, let me show you. Hopefully you have enough light to see. There you guys go. All the lights and stuff on the truck. I just love it, especially like this. That's a thumbnail good right there. Alright. So, let's just show you the route. Well, yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the route. I really don't know where a recycling center is in this game, to be honest with you. So, what we'll probably do is we'll probably just take this to a junkyard, since we have concrete and stuff, which you can use. I mean, which you can actually reuse. So, in fact, we'll just go to the car salvage place, right? You call it the car scrapyard. We'll go right there. Alright, so let's get trucking. Alright, let me just have to reset the camera real quick. Alright. My gosh, that is a beautiful sunset. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, I already made my first mistake. Oops. And one of these days, I am actually gonna try out Euro Truck Simulator 2. I'm actually gonna try that out. It looks very good. I may give it a try, but I don't know. I just gotta get my computer fixed because the computer screen has a crack. Right now I record with my phone and, or you can tell right now, my iPad. But anyways. Whenever they were making GTA 5, they really did put everything in here. Even the truck drivers talking on the CB, which is awesome, which is probably the coolest thing, and probably one of the most unique things about this game, which probably will keep me playing this game for a little while. And I thought people in the left lane coming into the on-ramp had the right of way. Merge. But anyways. Wow. I can't get over the lights on this thing. Wait, what route does it have me going? Oh. Okay. Wrong turn. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're probably just gonna ignore the GPS. I really don't feel like fighting with the traffic. Alright, let's just hop in the first person. Already in high gear. Alright, we're just gonna ignore the GPS. Might as well turn it off, so I'm gonna ignore it anyways. My thing would load. Nah, it won't. So we'll just keep on going the way it is. So, yeah. There we go. Finally, we get an open lane. And use our imaginary turn signal. One thing they need to have is a Jake brake. A Jake brake, for all you guys that don't know what a Jake brake is, it's pretty much an engine brake. What it does is it slows down the pistons. I think that's how it goes, but it just slows the engine down. It really helps whenever you're going down mountains and stuff. Whenever you go down mountains and stuff, you can just go whenever you see your truck coming down, on the older trucks that have straight pipes, which is no muffler, you can hear them, and and some of those Jake brakes sound really good, but it's actually kind of cool to listen to them, and I wish this game had them, but hey, I'm not complaining. Sheesh. Okay, that was just completely unsafe. Okay, I need to get over I need to get over. Oh, come on, I need to get over. Thank you. I need to get over again. Stopping in the middle of the interstate is not a good thing. Yeah. So, the Call of Duty Advanced Warfare video that I am uploading now, yeah, that wasn't really that safe by that driver. You, sir, should have your driver's license revoked. Anyways, the Call of Duty Advanced Warfare video I know was cut, ended short, because my phone ran out of memory, or video length. That, and I kind of wanted to end it right there, so I was afraid my controller would end up in 9 billion pieces. Like, it's already been thrown against the wall. I'm surprised it hasn't been destroyed into a bunch of pieces. So, thumbs up from Microsoft for making a good controller. Whoa. Cutting it close there. Okay, I need to get over. Sorry, driver. But yeah. My gosh, does this thing look beautiful. Leave a comment down below if you would like me to do more, like, truck driving videos with just dump trucks and stuff, or you want me to just use the conventional 18-wheelers and stuff. I mean, the regular semi-trucks. Just let me know. I may actually do some city deliveries too, so you never know. Just let me know. I go through whenever I get comments, I'll start going through them. Let's see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dump trucks. 6 dump trucks with a whole lot of cars. There it goes, finally green. This is the longest red I've ever been in. Okay, go ahead, driver. Holy cow. Okay, I'm just gonna move over. Alrighty, looks like we're on the final leg of the journey. Alright. I don't know how people can see. I don't know how this is a car scrapyard. See it more of as like a junkyard and stuff, but you know. Hey. Alrighty guys, so we'll just back in here real quick. Alright, let me do something real quick for you guys. There is a way to leave your truck running, just shoot it, and just shoot your gun, and then get back in it. Now I'll show you guys all the lights. I'll run around the truck real quick. Alright. So. Oh, oops. Yeah. This is why I like the truck so much. Alrighty guys, well, as soon as I shut off the truck. Alright guys, well, I guess, I'll see you guys in another video. And always remember, class pays. Alright guys, see ya.